Hey everyone, Mrs. Kaltenberg here. I have a special drawing tutorial for you today. This is a big shout out to everyone who has to celebrate their birthday during COVID-19. So I recently celebrated my birthday and my father recently celebrated his. And for my dad, I made him a birthday card and I had a lot of fun with it. And I thought I would share a drawing tutorial with you so you could draw something too. So in addition to having a drawing tutorial for you, I also am going to be posting a link if you would like to just print out one that I have made already. So I'm going to show you, because there's two options here. This first option is a girl version of the card. So the idea here is that we'll have a cake in the front with a person behind it wearing a face mask and some sunglasses. So this is the girl version. And then today in our drawing tutorial, I'm going to be showing you this one, the guy version. Now there's some slight differences between the two, but if you see this one, really all you have to change up are the style of glasses, maybe some eyebrows, earrings, and different hair. So one thing that I didn't put in the videos here is what's on the inside of the card. And you can get super creative with what you want to put on the inside. But for my dad, I said, happy COVID birthday on the front. And on the inside, I said, please do not blow out your candles. So anyway, you can write whatever you like inside, have fun with it, be creative. Can you go grab your papers and pencils and we're going to get started? If you have a blank card, you can actually draw on the front of the card itself. It's up to you. All right, here we go.
We're going to start our cake at the top, and I'm going to start by drawing a curved U-shaped line. And I like to draw cakes with the icing dripping down from the top. So I'm going to draw just squiggly lines coming off the bottom of that curved line, and then join it back up at the top. Now I'm going to draw the vertical side of the cake, and then I'm going to draw that same curve as the top and then join them up. Now I like to draw a plate. So I draw like an oval shape around the bottom of the cake. Next we're going to go in and draw candles. It doesn't matter how many candles you draw. You don't need to fill up the entire cake with candles. Just draw however many you would like. So what I do for my candles is I draw a long rectangular shape, and I like to make it look like there is wax dripping down the side of the candle, and so I add kind of little squiggly lines at the top. You'll also notice that I'm putting some down and some a little bit further up. So this is going to make it look like the ones that are lower in the picture are closer to us, and the ones that are higher up in the picture are further away. And that will make it kind of look like they're spread out around the cake. Now I'm also going to add some little puddles of melted wax at the bottom of each candle. The next step is to fill in the back of the cake. So you want to draw a curved upside down U shape, and you want to have to kind of pause the line each time for each candle. And that'll make it look like the candles are on the top of your cake. For the flames of each candle, I'm drawing just a small teardrop shape a little bit above the candle. And I don't draw wicks, I just draw them separate. Now, the next thing I'm going to draw is a pair of sunglasses. So I like to start in the middle above my cake with the bridge of the glasses. And then I draw the general shape of the frames. And then I like to go inside that and draw the lens. So you have a lot of creative space for this. You can choose what shape glasses you can have. Big square ones like these, or you can do smaller round ones, whatever you like. If you are making it for a specific person who wears glasses and you know what shape they have, go for it. That'll be very creative. Now I'm going to go in and do the second side of the glasses. And for me, I really tried to keep it about the same size and the same shape as the other one. And you want them to be symmetrical, so mirror images of each other. And then I like to go in and give it some reflection spots. So I draw triangles or half circles on each lens. So next off, I'm going to start with the mask. So I like to do an upside down U shape between the two lenses of the glasses. And on the outside of the glasses, I come up just a little bit and then curve down. So you have to imagine that this mask would be covering the nose and the mouth. And for my drawings, I make the mask come down pretty much all the way to the cake. Now what I'm drawing here are some fold and crease marks. So on the outside of the mask, I'm doing V shapes with the pointed part of the V going to the outside of the mask. And then where the nose and the mouth are, I'm kind of adding some just general horizontal curved lines. All right, now I'm going to come in and do some eyebrows. So this is one that you can make in a variation. I'm doing very bushy eyebrows here for a man. If you're doing this for somebody who has smaller eyebrows, you can do smaller eyebrows. If you're doing this for somebody who has very little eyebrows, or then you can maybe even leave them off if maybe they're hidden by part of the glasses. All right, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually come in and add the strap for the mask and the ear for the glasses. So I'm just drawing two little lines that I'm imagining would go up above the ear. Then I'm making a C shape for the ear and another smaller curve inside the ear. And then I'll go in on the other side. So glasses, masks, little strap that goes above the ear, and then C shape for the ear, curve inside the ear, and I like to do just like a little triangle in the middle of the ear there. Now it depends on your drawing. You can add a neck, and I'm adding some shoulders to my person. I don't draw a whole lot more. I just like to leave it there. Now for our man here, we're going to add some hair. So hair coming up from above the ears, and then I'm going to draw in the forehead line. So I'm going to go up from the one side, the peak of the hair, come across, and join it up again on the other side.
All right, we are finished. I would like to thank everyone for joining us today. If you are celebrating a birthday during COVID-19, I wish you much health and happiness and all the best in the year to come. Happy birthday to you. If you've been enjoying my videos and you've been drawing along with me every time, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will keep on putting those videos out for you twice a week. Until next time, thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.